Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Adia jewelry reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of the site and they're showing French design originality just for you jewelry, and it is based in United Kingdom or United States that deals with various jewelry items including sunglasses and necklaces, bracelets, earrings, rings and various other jewelries. So this was the offering information. Now let's talk about the payment info of the site. So talking about the payment information, you can see the various modes of payment which are available on the site are JCB, Mastercard, Mastro, MX, Visa, PayPal, Union Pay, etc. So these are the payment modes. And talking about the shipping policy of the site, guys, you need to visit the shipping policy. So let's check out the shipping and delivery policy page, and they have mentioned that they will ship within 24 hours of the working day and free shipping worldwide on orders above rupees 669.56. Apart from that, the VIP shipping will take around 10 to 20 business days and the standard shipping will take around 20 to 30 business days, and rest you can read the information related to shipping cost for both shipping methods. So this is the shipping information, guys. They have also mentioned the email address to connect with them. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or a legit website, because it's really very important to check out a website's legitimacy before making any online purchase. So coming to the HTTPS protocol connection, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign, guys. And talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 6th of October 2020. So guys, this site is 4 months or more than 4 months old. So we can't claim it purely legit because we need to discuss the entire points to claim this website legit. So talking about the About Us details, you need to visit the About Us page. Here they have mentioned limited information, but I'm not able to view the information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign, guys. And talking about the contact details of the site, so this is the contact us page, but they have only provided the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, but they have not mentioned the details including official address and contact number, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, they have also mentioned the query form. If you have any query, then you can connect with them via this query form. Now guys, talking about the social media presence, so you can see they have mentioned two social media icons, and the site has social media presence on Instagram and Facebook, and the site has 6,524 followers on Instagram and 6,267 followers on followed this page, guys, and 863 people follow this page. So let's check out the Facebook page of the site. So you can see each and everything related to this, and the site has social media presence on Instagram as well. So guys, these are the posts that they have posted on the social media platforms, and people are also commenting. So this is a positive sign, guys. But guys, you can see we are able to find the negative comments more on social media platforms as well. However, let's talk about the customer reviews section. So yes, but guys, before discussing the customer review section, let's check out the return or refund policy of this site, which is 30 days. Yes guys, their policy lasts for 30 days, and do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And talking about Adia jewelry reviews, so we have found no reviews on about this website on the internet, guys, but yes, we have found various comments on Facebook and Instagram, and few comments are positive, but majority of the reviews are negative. One of the customers said, I placed an order on January 15 and still have not received it, not sure if this website is for real or not. And apart from that, we also found a negative comments on the social media presence platforms, including this Instagram post, guys. So majority of the customers are not satisfied with the services of this website, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, we have found that the trust index score of this site is 2%, which is really very bad, and the site has low traffic on servers, and according to Alexa traffic rank, this site has low ranking on Alexa as well. So yeah, guys, there are so many loopholes that makes a confusion and makes the site quite suspicious. So we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, as there are so many loopholes, including incomplete contact details, incomplete or unavailability of company's information, low traffic score, low trust index score, poor design of website, negative comments. Led to believe is that it may be a suspicious site as well, guys. So if you want to give it a try, then explore the entire information at your end. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.